What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about how to increase your MPG. The first thing is check your tire pressure. Make sure they're all inflated at the correct PSI. So most cars is 35, some is 30, some is 40. So you just check the door panel of your vehicle and you can see the correct PSI of your tire so you can get the best MPG of your vehicle. Just open the door of your vehicle, you'll see a plate where it says your PSI, so it'll give you a rear, spare, and your front PSI for each tire, and yeah, you just inflate them. But like I said, some cars, majority of the cars that I've seen is 35 PSI, so yeah. The next thing is check your engine air filter or your air filter to make sure it's not dirty, because you know your car gotta breathe. If your car is not breathing correctly, yes, you're getting poor MPG, and you don't want those problems, especially if you use something like your boy Artofspeedd. I want to get the best MPG of my vehicle. I know in the Elantra, that's the reason why I got it, because I want to get the best MPG when I'm driving to and from work, and you're like, yo, hold on, I need to get the best MPG on my vehicle. So yeah. So make sure you check your engine air filter, make sure it's not really cloggy or dirty, and if you have the engine box or the if you have the air filter box, make sure you clean the little dust and debris out of it, and your air filter should not be gray or black, it need to be white. So yeah. The next thing is remove any excess weight from your vehicle, because that's going to give you the poorest MPG of your vehicle. And if you got any like weight or something heavy that's weighing your vehicle down, or you know how, I'm not gonna say a lie, your boy Artofspeedd, some of my cars back in the days used to have a mess of a trunk. I mean, I throw everything back there and I'm like, yo, I get to it when I get to it, and it's weighing down the car and you looking like, yo, I'm getting poor MPG. So yes, if you just remove all of that stuff out and clean out your trunk, clean out your car, yes, you'll get the best MPG mileage for your vehicle. The next thing is make sure you get the routine maintenance on your vehicle, oil changes, because of the fact that if the oil is dirty or it's old, it's making the engine work more than if the engine had fresh oil in it. The oil what helps lubricate the engine. So if the engine have dirty oil, so that means the oil is a little bit thicker than what it was when it came in the engine, because it's moving around too many times, and that's how it's making your engine move a little bit more. I mean, it's making your engine work a little bit more than what it usually should be working. If your car has fresh oil in it, the lubrication from the fresh oil what helps flows through the engine a little bit smoother and faster. So yeah, your car is not working as much as if the car have old oil in it. So that's the reason why. But if you enjoyed this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.